When you log in, the first thing you'll see is your dashboard. From there, we'll click on the Video Creation tab on the left, and it will bring up some options for ways to create a video. You can use AI, which is what we'll be focusing on in this demonstration. You can also create slideshow videos using stock images. You can import your own images or even upload images, or you could even upload your own video to then work with. So let's click on AI Whiteboard Video. From there, we have 6 different types of videos that we can create. We'll start with a sales video. You can create sales videos for any type of product, whether it be a digital or a physical product. For this demo, let's do a digital product. We'll do one called Overcoming Anxiety the Natural Way. It's a video course, and we'll give one very short sentence of what that product is. And click Submit. All right, it has generated the script for the video. If we simply don't like it, we could click the Regenerate button. We could click the Copy button to copy it to the clipboard, or to work with it immediately, just click the down arrow. That's what we'll do now. From here, we have a few options to fill out and choose from. So first, we'll give the video a title. Select a font. I'm just going to go with something pretty simple, like Tahoma. Font size, I'm going to keep black text, but the background color maybe something like a light blue. We can choose from a wide variety of video resolutions. I'm going to go with the full HD 1080p. I'll keep the text centered for now. We can choose no background music, or we can use background music from the built-in library, or we can upload our own. I'm going to choose one called A New Day. I'm going to set the music volume to 0.1. We can then choose from a wide variety of male and female voices. I'm going to choose Cora for this one. As we continue to scroll down, you'll see that the program automatically generated the slides with the text pre-populated. Now you can go ahead and tweak any of that if you wish. You can fix any text or change any wording that you want to change. You can eliminate slides, you can add new ones, you can move them around, however you want to do that. But I have found that it does a pretty good job for the most part, so I'm going to leave this one as is and just click Create Video. As soon as it finishes generating, it will take you to your file manager where it will store your video. From here, you can click to view it. Let's do that real quick.
Are you tired of anxiety ruling your life? Introducing Overcoming Anxiety the Natural Way, a video course designed to help you regain control and find lasting relief. Anxiety can affect anyone, and it's debilitating.
All right, as you can see, the voice is just perfect. It sounds great. I intentionally picked a voice that, sort of had that relaxing tone to it. I think that would appeal to this audience. You can also click to edit the video, and we'll take a look at how to do that throughout this demonstration on some of the other videos that we're going to create. You could also go back and edit it as a whiteboard video. I'm going to show you that real quick just so you can see. You could actually go back and without having to regenerate the script or to redo any of those options, you can go back and change just specific parts of it, like the font, the size, the video resolution, the colors, perhaps the background music or the volume, and regenerate it from there. I'll click on My Videos again. Of course, you can also click to delete it, or we can click to download it as an MP4 file. Let's click on Video Creation again and take a look at the next type of video that we're going to make. Again, AI Whiteboard Video. This time, let's do a business ad video. This works for any type of business, online or offline. And if they have a website, it makes it extremely easy because it can go ahead and fetch the information for you right from their website. So I'm going to create a little ad for a local fishing fly shop called Kirk's Fly Shop. It's a fly fishing shop. Their website address is kirksflyshop.com. I'm going to click Get. And look at that. It automatically populated the next box with content from their homepage. I can then simply click Submit. I mean, it doesn't get much easier than that. You can create videos for local businesses and get paid for it simply by copying and pasting their URL and grabbing content off their website this way. All right, it came up with some great slides. I'm going to click the down arrow to generate it immediately. We'll call this one Kirk's Fly Shop. Let's go with font Georgia. Font size 60 this time. And for the colors, I'd like to kind of match their website. So let's take a look at their website here. You can see it's kind of a tan color with a maroon text on top of that. So that's what I want to aim for. We can actually use the eyedropper or the color slider, or you can enter an RGB code. That dark red looks nice. And my background color should be kind of a tan. Something like that. This time I'm going to align the text on the left so that we have room to put some images on this video as well. For the background music, I'm going to select Coastline. Again, I'll go with a 0.1 music volume. And I'm going to choose Davis to narrate this video. Scroll down and see if there's anything that I want to change or tweak, but just as I kind of scroll through it, it looks fine. I'm going to go ahead and click Create Video. Once again, it'll take you directly into your file manager once it has finished rendering. Let's click to preview this one.
Welcome to Kirk's Fly Shop, Estes Park's premier fly fishing shop and guiding service. Subscribe to our newsletter.
That's pretty cool because it actually knew how to pronounce Estes Park. You know, I even hear people in real life, typically who are from out of town, they call it Estes Park, but the AI actually knew how to pronounce it, so that's pretty cool. All right, so we're going to go ahead and add some images to this one as well. And to do that, I'm going to use one of our other features. I'm going to click Video Creation, and I'm going to import some images. This allows you to grab images from anywhere on the web. So, for example, Kirk's Fly Shop has all kinds of images right here on their website. For example, if I wanted to grab this logo, I could right-click on it, copy image address, come back over and paste that in. They also have a blog with a bunch of images on it. For example, the trout of Rocky Mountain National Park. I can right-click on any of these images and grab those too. So in fact, I'll do that. I'm going to grab those right now, pause the video for just a moment, then come on over and paste all those URLs in here. Click Load Images, and it's going to grab those instantly. All right, so then we're going to turn those into a little slideshow. I'm going to click Make Images to Video. We could give it background music, but in this case, we're going to lay this on top of our existing whiteboard video. We'll call it Kirk Images. And you can select how long you want each image to appear. I happen to notice that that video was about 2 minutes and 13 seconds long, so that's 133 seconds. And we grabbed 11 images, so 133 divided by 11 is about 12 seconds for each image. 12.1 is close enough. Then we'll click Upload and Process. And again, when it's done, it will take you into your file manager. Now we could click on this and preview it. As you can see, it's just a simple slideshow video. What we're going to do now is go back to the Kirk's Fly Shop video that we made moments ago. I'm going to click to edit that video using our built-in editor. And I'm going to click this button down here that says Overlay Existing Video from My Videos. The one I'm going to select is Kirk Images. And I'm going to drag that up here. I'm going to fast forward this just a little to make sure I'm not putting it on top of any words. You can put this exactly where you want it, size it how you want it, and then double click. Then we're going to click Process It. Okay, it says video generated successfully. We'll click OK. Now if we play this video, let's take a look.
Welcome to Kirk's Fly Shop, Estes Park's premier fly fishing shop and guiding service. Subscribe to our newsletter to stay updated on all the latest fishing news and deals. At Kirk's Fly Shop, we have been serving the local area and Rocky Mountain National Park.
See that? After 12 seconds, the image changed because that's what we set it to in that slideshow. So every 12 seconds, it's going to put a new image. And we got these images right from their own website. So this is now a nice polished video that Kirk's Fly Shop could add to their own website. They could upload it to social media. And it's a video that a business like this could easily have paid at least a few $100s for. And as you saw, we made it in just a couple of minutes. So you'll be able to create videos like these for businesses and potentially get paid a lot of money to do it. All right, let's click on video creation again. AI whiteboard video, and this time we're going to take a look at a product promo video. Again, you can promote any type of product. It could be physical, it could be digital. Since we did a digital product for the little sales video demo, let's do a physical product for the product promo video. This is also great for affiliate promos. I'm just going to grab a product off of Amazon. Here's a Weber smoker. So I'm going to take it right from this title, the Weber 22-inch Smoky Mountain Cooker. Product type is a charcoal smoker. And then for the product info, I'm literally just going to copy these bullet points right out of the description, paste them into VidPalAi, and click submit. So you can see you could easily create video promos for any product, including any product on Amazon or any other marketplace. All right, it has generated our script and our slides. I'm going to click the down arrow to use those immediately. Video title of this one will be Charcoal Smoker. Let's go with Impact. I like something a little darker and bolder to go along with this one. Font size 60. Maybe we'll go with white text this time. Full HD. Go background color, dark blue. I'm going to do text alignment left so I have room to put a picture of that product. Background's going to be summertime because I think that's a good track to go along with a smoker grill. Volume 0.1. And I'm going to go with the voice of Guy. Take a quick look at our slides here to make sure it all looks okay, and it does. I haven't had to make any tweaks yet. We'll go ahead and click Create. As usual, it will bring you from there into your file manager. Let's quickly preview this to make sure it sounds okay.
Are you ready to take your barbecues to the next level? Introducing the Weber 22-inch Smoky Mountain Cooker, the charcoal smoker.
Yep, that sounds good. I'm going to go ahead and click Edit Video on this one. I'm going to jump over to Amazon. I'm going to grab this picture of this smoker right here. I'm going to say Save Image As. Simply grab that JPEG, come back over, and I'm going to upload image for constant overlay. That means I'm going to upload just one image that lasts for the entire video. Now, as you'll see later on in this demo, you can upload as many images or videos, and you can upload them for just a matter of seconds. You can have them fade in and fade out. But to keep this quick and simple, I'm just going to do one picture on this. Make sure it's not running into my words. Double click it and click Process It. And my thought here is it's a video that I could quickly upload to social media. I could throw it on YouTube along with an Amazon affiliate link. I could put it on my own website along with a review. Lots of different ways that I could use this, but it's just a very quick and simple way to generate a video which can then earn affiliate commissions for me. All right, it says video generated successfully. Let's say OK. You know, as I was thinking about it, we could just as easily throw our affiliate link onto this video as well. So we could jump back over to that Amazon product, grab that URL, or I could go into my Amazon Associates account. Let's just pretend I'm doing that, getting my affiliate link for it. Then we can go over to something like tinyURL. You could use any URL shortener, it doesn't matter which one. And I'll paste that long URL in here. Give it a tinyURL, click shorten. And here I got tinyurl.com smoker999. Jump back over to the editor and we'll click the text tool. Text is going to be tinyurl.com/smoker999. I'm going to put it in the bottom right, full opacity, and click Process It. Okay, it says text added into video. Let's take a look at what that looks like.
Are you ready to take your barbecues to the next
Well,
level?
it's very small, but you can see it down there in the right-hand corner.
Introducing the Weber 22-inch Smoky Mountain Cooker.
tinyurl.com/smoker99. I might want to make that font a little bigger. I forgot that I had gone full 1080p here. So instead of a size 20, maybe I wanted to make that like a size, I don't know, 40 or 50 at least. But you get the point. That's going to show up if I upload this to YouTube. It's going to have that watermarked with my affiliate link right in the corner. All right, let's click on video creation again. This time we are going to do an informational video. And you know, to go along with that promotion for a charcoal smoker, let's create a video for smoking salmon in a charcoal smoker. That's all you have to do is give it a topic, any topic at all, and then click submit. I mean, this tool is limited only by your own imagination. You could create an informational video about literally anything you can think of. All right, I'm going to click the down arrow to use this script immediately. This one will be called Smoking Salmon. This time let's go with Helvetica, size 60. I think white text with like a dark green background might be nice for this one. I just like to keep changing it up. Go full HD. Again, I'm going to align left so I've got room for some pictures. Background music, I found one called Cool Lo-Fi that I like. I'll go with 0.1. This time I'm going to go with Aria's voice. We're going to continue to scroll down and make sure the script all looks okay, which it does. So we're going to click Create Video. Again, it brings us to the file manager. Let's go ahead and preview this one.
Welcome to the ultimate guide to smoking salmon in a charcoal smoker. Get ready to elevate your grilling game to new heights. First, start with fresh salmon that's rich.
All right, it sounds great. This is just a good example of how you could use this to, create an entire content site. This would go well with the charcoal smoker promotion. I'm not going to turn this into a full-blown marketing lesson, but I think you get the point. I'm going to click on, instead of editing it, first I'm going to click on video creation. We're going to create another little slideshow to inject into that one. This time, instead of importing images from URLs, let's use the stock image search, which is probably the quickest and easiest way to grab some images. And I'm going to search for smoked salmon. And it will instantly grab related stock images for you. If there are any that are either not relevant or that you don't want to use, you can simply click the little trash icon and those will not be used. Just scrolling through here, it looks like all of these actually are smoked salmon. This one, hard to tell if that's smoked or grilled. So maybe I get rid of this one, and then this one here also looks like maybe it's grilled, so I'll get rid of that one. The rest of them definitely look smoked, so we've got, I think, 18 images left. We'll click to make those into a video. That video was about 90 seconds long, so if I divide 90 by 18, I want each one to appear for 5 seconds. We'll call this Salmon Pics, and we'll process it. As always, that brings us back to the file manager. Now we're going to go back to my smoked salmon voiceover video here. I'm going to click to enter the video editor. I'm going to overlay an existing video. I'm going to select Salmon Pics. I'm going to bring it up here, kind of make sure it's not
There you have it.
overlaid on top of my text. Resize it, put it where I want it, double click it, and process it. Okay, video generated successfully. So let's take a look at it.
Welcome to the ultimate guide to smoking salmon in a charcoal smoker. Get ready to elevate your grilling game to new heights. First, start with fresh salmon that's rich in omega-3 fatty acids.
So you can see it goes through those slides, and it is just a nice, well-polished video that we can use in real life. Perfect for your own business, or perhaps something that you got paid to create for someone else's business. And I'll go ahead and embed these videos somewhere below on the sales page as well, so you can take a look at the actual samples as well. That's something that you're not going to find being shown by many software vendors these days. Not only are we showing you a full demo, we're going to actually show you the real results, the real sample videos as well. Let's click on video creation and move on to the next type. This is going to be a squeeze page video. I made a squeeze page recently for some of my coaching students. It is for the meal prep niche. It's called Smart Meal Prep for Busy People. And rather than just putting a cover image here, I think this would convert even better if we put a video there. So let's make a quick video to go along with this squeeze page. So the freebie name is Smart Meal Prep for Busy People. It's an ebook. The audience is busy people who want to save time while cooking healthy meals. We'll click submit. I'll click the down arrow to immediately use the script. We'll give it a title. I'm going to go with, let's say, Arial, font size 70. We'll go with nice big font. And I'm just going to keep it a classic black text on a white background, full HD. I'm going to align it on the left so that I have room to put that cover image in the video. For the background, I'm going to select one called Travel. I'm going to keep it nice and quiet, the quietest setting at 0.05. And I'm going to go with Jenny Multilingual for this one. Scroll down and make sure the script looks okay. I think it does, so let's click Create Video. All right, let's go ahead and preview that one and make sure it sounds okay.
Are you a busy person who wants to eat healthy but struggles to find the time to cook? Introducing Smart Meal Prep for Busy People, the ultimate guide to save you time in the kitchen.
I like that. I always like to preview it because, sometimes certain voices just don't sound quite the way I want them to for certain videos, so I'll go back and switch up the voice. But that one sounds great. I'm going to go ahead and click to edit the video. I'm also going to jump back over to that squeeze page and just simply grab this cover image that I had previously created. So I'm just going to save the cover image, go over here, and I'm going to do a constant overlay of that cover image. Grab that, drag it up here, resize it, double click it, and let's see, instead of constant overlay, I guess I did the fade in, fade out. So I could fade it in at a certain time. I'm just going to fade it in right at the very beginning though. So I'll put this at the very beginning. So it's going to be starting at 0, and we'll bring it all the way to the end, which is 1 minute and 13 seconds, and we'll process it. So if I'd wanted to, I could have put that maybe just for like the first 10 seconds, and then I could have put some other images or videos throughout. But again, just to keep it simple, this is just a squeeze page. I'm just going to put that one image on the video. All right, video generated successfully. And take a look at this.
Are you a busy person who wants to eat healthy but struggles to find the time to cook? Introducing Smart Meal Prep for Busy People.
Right, so I think that is going to convert better than just having this e-cover here without any sort of a voice or video, right? I can simply replace this e-cover now with my new video that I created in a matter of minutes, and I'm going to have a higher conversion rate on that squeeze page. Let's jump back to video creation for one more. This one is going to be the explainer or tutorial video. And this is another one that's limited only by your own imagination. You can create an explainer or a tutorial on anything. I can hop over to Google and start typing in how to. And you can see some of the most common things are like how to draw, how to write a cover letter, how to make a paper airplane. So let's say how to write a cover letter. Click submit. There's obviously a lot of people searching for that information. I'll click the down arrow to use it. Title's going to be how to write a cover letter. Let's go with Helvetica, size 60. Maybe something like a light blue font. Full HD. And I'm thinking like a dark gray background. I'm going to align it on the left again so I've got room to add a video on top of this. There's a track that I like that's included called Retro. I'm going to go with the very quietest volume again, the 0.05. I'm going to go with Monica's voice this time. And by the way, you can preview any of these voices. I should have mentioned that previously. And then check out these slides. There's actually a couple tweaks I need to make. So right here, I'm going to take out the word title. In fact, I can just take out the title. I'm going to take out where it says introduction. This slide is basically blank. So this is the first time this has happened in this particular series of demos that I've been creating for you. There's a few of them that I am tweaking. It happens from time to time, and if that does, as you can see, it's very easy to fix it. And then we'll just go ahead and click Create Video. As always, it brings you from there into the file manager. Let's see if Monica sounds all right on this one.
Welcome to our tutorial on writing a compelling cover letter. Let's get started. A cover letter is your opportunity to introduce yourself and showcase your qualifications to potential employers.
Yeah, I think that's pretty good. We could always test out another voice. Again, I can easily go back and regenerate it with a different voice, but I think she sounds pretty decent. Now in this one, just for the sake of doing something different, let's see, let's add some actual live action video on top of this. So I'm going to click to enter the editor. And I've got a couple of options. I could actually upload a video, or I could use the search feature. If I wanted to upload it, I can go grab a free stock video from any site like Pexels. I can go over here and search for someone typing or writing or whatever to make a good cover letter video, or we can use the built-in search feature. So let's go ahead and just use the built-in search feature for now. Let's use the keyword typing and see what comes up. Lots to choose from. So maybe we'll use a few of them. Bring this up here, make sure we're not on top of our text. Double click it, and then we can start it at the beginning, and then you can fade it out whenever you want. Now, if you don't know how long this video is, you can actually just kind of estimate on the long side and it'll automatically fade out. So let's just say 20 seconds, which should be more than long enough, and we'll go ahead and click process. All right, video generated successfully. Let's take a look. So if we click
Welcome
play.
to our tutorial on writing a compelling cover letter. Let's get started.
See how good that looks? So now if we kind of fast forward to where that video ends, let's find out exactly where it ends.
Contact information. Include
Actually,
your
a good
contact
lengthy
details at the
stock.
top
Maybe
of the
maybe
letter,
it's actually longer than
including
20
your
seconds.
full name, phone number, email address.
Looks like I maybe could have gone longer than 20. So then we're going to put another one where that one finished. So right there at 20 seconds, I'm going to search for another one. And I'm going to search for typing again because that was a good keyword. And then we'll find another applicable video. Bring it up here. So we'll start that at about 20 seconds. And then we'll fade it out. Let's just say at the very end of the video, but I don't think it's going to last that long. And process it. Okay, video generated successfully. Again, we're going to go up and check it out.
Welcome to our tutorial on writing a compelling
All right, I'll
cover
go ahead
letter.
and fast forward it here. Or skip ahead, rather.
Contact information, phone number, email address, and
Okay,
LinkedIn
so here's the
profile
second
if
video we added.
applicable.
Let's see where that ends.
To find out, know their name,
Well, that one's not as long.
company's address.
31 seconds is where that one ends. So we'll go ahead and search for another one. Let's grab this one here with the coffee cup in the foreground. Bring that up, size it, double click it, get the time, and then we'll see. Again, I doubt it's going to last till the very end, but we'll see how far it goes and then process it. If you hear any noise in the background, that's just some of my kids having fun. All right, video generated successfully, and let's take a look.
Welcome to our tutorial on writing a compelling cover letter.
Once again, we'll skip ahead.
Let's get started. Including your full and LinkedIn profile if
There's
applicable.
the second video.
Search or call the
Here's the
company
third
to find
one.
out. Opening paragraph. Capture the reader's attention with a strong opening statement. Mention the specific job you're applying for and express.
All right, so that goes up to 43 seconds. So we're going to need hopefully just one more video to finish filling this out. All right, so I'm going to search once again. Grab another typing video. We could use other keywords too, but this seems to be working well for the moment. Let's grab this one here. Bring it on up. Size it. Double click it. Grab that entry time. Grab the exit time. And process it. And hopefully this is enough to finish it out. It'll be pretty close. All right, video generated successfully. Let's take a look at it.
Welcome to our tutorial on writing a compelling cover letter.
All right, I'm going to skip
Let's get
ahead
started.
till almost the end.
A cover letter is your opportunity. The second paragraph to highlight your skills and experiences that directly relate to the job requirements mentioned in the job posting.
And yes, it lasted till the end, so we're good to go on that one. Now if I go over to my videos, you can see that in the amount of time that it took you to watch my demonstration here, I created an entire library of high-quality videos using VidPalAi. And again, you can check out these actual samples somewhere below on this page right now if you want to.